Software for Beginners, your ultimate guide. In today's fast-paced digital age, video content is king. Whether you're a budding YouTuber, an aspiring filmmaker, or someone looking to spice up personal projects, choosing the right video editing software can be the difference between an amateur-looking clip and a polished masterpiece. But with so many options on the market, how do you find the best video editing software for beginners? Let's dive into the essentials. Why choosing the right software matters. For beginners, the thought of editing videos might feel daunting. The right software can simplify this process, offering intuitive tools and features that help transform raw footage into a stunning final product. But what exactly makes software beginner-friendly? 1. Ease of use. Simple, intuitive interfaces are crucial for learning the basics without feeling overwhelmed. 2. Features and flexibility. While simplicity is key, having enough features to experiment and grow your skills is equally important. 3. Affordability. Beginners often prefer budget-friendly or free options before investing in advanced tools. Top video editing software for beginners. Here's a list of beginner-friendly video editing software, each catering to different needs and budgets. 1. iMovie Mac. If you're an Apple user, iMovie is a no-brainer. It's pre-installed on macOS devices and offers a clean drag-and-drop interface. With templates, filters, and easy-to-use tools, iMovie is perfect for creating professional-looking videos without the steep learning curve. Pros: free for Mac users, excellent performance, high-quality output. Cons: limited to Apple devices. 2. Filmora. Filmora is a crowd favorite among beginners. Its intuitive design, combined with drag-and-drop functionality, makes editing straightforward. The software offers advanced features like keyframing and motion tracking, ensuring you can experiment as you grow. Pros: affordable, feature-packed, and user-friendly. Cons: watermark on free version exports. 3. Adobe Premiere Elements. A simplified version of Adobe Premiere Pro, this software is tailored for beginners. It includes guided edits, which are step-by-step instructions to help you master specific techniques. Pros: intuitive interface, robust features, and reliable. Cons: one-time purchase can be pricey for some. 4. DaVinci Resolve. Though known for its professional-grade features, DaVinci Resolve has a free version that's surprisingly beginner-friendly. It offers color correction, visual effects, and audio editing, all in one package. Pros: free version available, high-quality tools, suitable for advanced projects as you improve. Cons: steeper learning curve compared to others. 5. HitFilm Express. Perfect for beginners interested in visual effects. HitFilm Express offers tools to create cinematic videos. It includes tutorials to help users get started, making it ideal for learners. Pros: free, great for VFX enthusiasts. Cons: interface can feel cluttered at times. Tips for getting started. Learn the basics. Spend time understanding key concepts like cutting, transitions, and layering. Most software includes tutorials or online guides to help you get started. 2. Start small. Begin with short projects to familiarize yourself with the interface and tools. 3. Experiment with features. As you grow more confident, explore advanced tools like color grading, effects, and sound editing. 4. Leverage online resources. Platforms like YouTube offer free tutorials tailored to almost every video editing software. Final thoughts. The best video editing software for beginners depends on your goals, device, and budget. If you're an Apple user, iMovie might be your best bet. For those seeking flexibility, Filmora or Adobe Premiere Elements are excellent choices. Want to dabble in professional-grade editing? DaVinci Resolve offers powerful tools at no cost. Remember, the key is to start small and practice consistently. With the right software and a bit of creativity, you'll be producing high-quality videos in no time.